In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts on ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a fantastic marketing automation tool that many businesses use to enhance their marketing strategies. Whether you're managing a small list or dealing with a vast array of contacts, organizing your contact list is crucial for maintaining effective communication. So let's dive into the process of deleting contacts you no longer need. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to ActiveCampaign's website. It's an exceptional platform tailor-made for businesses seeking efficient marketing solutions. Once you're there, you'll spot the login option, typically in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to get started. At this point, you'll need to enter your account information. This usually involves typing in your account name, so make sure you have that detail handy. It's important to enter your credentials correctly to smoothly transition into your account. After typing in your account name, you'll find the login button right there. Give that a click and you'll be taken to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options available on the dashboard. What we're interested in today is the contacts section. This is where all your contact management magic happens. Navigate your way over to the contacts tab and click on it. Doing so will bring up a list of all your contacts, and this will be your home base for carrying out contact related tasks. Once you have your contacts list up, scroll through to select the specific contact you wish to delete. Found it? Great. Now look for the drop down arrow next to their name. This small arrow is your gateway to more actions you can perform on this contact. Click it to reveal a list of actions you can take, and among those you'll see the delete contact option. Clicking this will prompt you with a confirmation, which is a good checkpoint to make sure you really want to delete this contact. Deleting a contact is permanent, so it's always wise to double check before you proceed. If you're sure this contact is no longer needed, confirm the deletion. This final step will remove the contact from your ActiveCampaign account, thereby cleaning up your list and ensuring you're left with only the contacts that are relevant and necessary for your operations. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your contact list organized and free from outdated or unnecessary contacts. It's all about making sure your marketing communications are targeted and efficient. Remember, a clean contact list is key to successful marketing. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel confident managing your contacts on ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.